Virgos. Oh, I'm so sorry I couldn't make it in December, but we thank God that we are in 2021 and I'm here with you to do your January reading. So, Virgos, how are you doing? Let's begin. For the first week, you got the two of wands, things that are not happening. Maybe you or the other person, all right? Things need to be balanced. The energy around it is action, all right? Action. Maybe you are attached to something that you have to take a lead of, but the thing that you are attached to or the person that you are attached to is not making you manifest the abundance that you want, all right? That is why you got the two of wands. It means that there is no show. The person is smarter than you, the person is taking more moves than you, and your moves are being slowed up. The helmet. Things are being very, very slow on your behalf. For the second week, you got the page of wands, which means whatever thing that is going on, it's really not kind of very fruitful. It is a dry land. Your situation, your love life, it could be love, finances, anything that you're going through, it is a little bit dry. But yes, the energy around it is warfare. You really need to fight hard to get abundance. All right, fight hard to take abundance, and the result is really, really beautiful because you got the page of pentacles, which is your key to any fruitfulness. All right, so anything that you feel like it is really dry, it's not manifesting, it is hard and stuff like that, you have another strategy. When you fight hard for it, you're gonna get it because you're gonna win the battle. All right, for the third week, there are two situations, two characteristics that is going on with two different type of people. One got the Ace of Pentacles, and the other one got the Seven of Pentacles. And the energy around it is the sun, which is really beautiful, taking a lead. It means whatever thing that is ahead of you, you have to take a lead. Whatever thing that is going on, if it is marital problem, relationship and stuff like that, you have to take a lead and say, look, we have come this far, blah 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 and blah. All right, because some people that have this ace of pentacles, which means there is another door of opportunity, you people are stuck with your words or the words of other people, making you really stuck and you don't know what to say, you don't know what to do, you feel sorry for yourself and stuff like that. No, there is an open door that will bring you sunshine. The energy that is ahead of you is very, very beautiful. So don't stand in one place and be crying and be condemning yourself. All right, those people who are in the situation of marital affair, finances and stuff like that, also in another situation that they have to consider for their sunshine, that they feel they are stuck. All right, they are looking at the hardship and how far they have come. All right, how far this relationship have come, how far this business have come, how long this business have taken you to get to that point, and you feel like, oh my goodness, I cannot move forward because I am stuck. All right, you have to put in more effort because the energy around it is good, so you have to put in more effort. For the fourth week, you have the Three of Pentacles. All right, Three of Pentacles with the anxiety. The anxiety meaning taking a lead for abundance, which is really, really difficult for you because maybe you're thinking too much. I don't know if it is also about maybe your boss, or I feel like this one is something very professional, like your own thing. Maybe if it is job, you're like you are a chef, you are an architect or something. All right, you own your own, like your own personal thing that you are being practiced for. All right, and if it is finances, if it is love life, it is the same thing. But it seems like you are really being through you are going through some anxieties, or you will go through some anxieties because you are just listening and dancing and tuning and doing the things of what people are saying. You are accepting it, although you are expressing it, with the number three of the three and the pentacles, you are expressing the way you are skillful and stuff like that. At the same time, you are accepting the situation and just playing along with it. And when you are alone, that is when you start thinking about it. That is when you become sad. It is not good. All right? It is not good. You got to express it. You have to let it out and stuff like that. For your wisdom card, it says fog in the road. There is a fog. Anything that you want to talk about it, talk it, but with a sensible mind. All right. Anything that you want to lead to do something, be careful. Anything that you want to do, be careful. You got to relax for a while before. All right. Be careful. And your angel card says, be courageous and stand up for your belief. Be courageous with a sensible mind. Be very, very careful what you do around anything, around your family. 3 plus 1 is 4. So anything that you love so much, if it is your money, your dog, your siblings, your children, you have to secure that place. All right. Very good. So thanks for watching, and see you very soon for February reading. Bye.